Hi, I just wanted to quickly show you how to use undo and redo. So here I am looking at a copy of the Constitution of the United States, and let's say I accidentally delete this opening preamble. I can get that back by clicking this arrow up in the upper left that looks like an arrow looping back, and that undoes whatever the previous action was. And that works not just with deleting something, but with any change that you make. So for instance, if I removed the bold formatting from that title, I could still undo that and get it back. If I wanted to redo a change, the button right next to that with the arrow looping in the other direction redoes a change. So in this case, if I click it, it will remove the bold. And there's also keyboard shortcuts, which you can see what keys I'm pressing at the bottom of this video here. And the keyboard shortcuts are Control-Z for undo. So once again, if I delete that paragraph, I can hit Control, you hold down Control, and then tap Z, and it comes back. And the shortcut for redo is Control-Y. So you hold down Control and then hit Y, and in that case, the redo deleted the paragraph again. These operations work in anything, not just Microsoft Word. So for instance, here I am filling out an interlibrary loan request on the library's website, and if I am typing along and I realize I make a mistake in my phone number, I can hit Control and then Z, and it undoes everything, and I can feel free to type in the correct phone number. Okay, that was undo and redo.